Many travelers chose Friuli Venezia Giulia this summer. And why did you choose Friuli Venezia Giulia as your destination?
We're from London and we decided to come to Trieste because we are going on holiday to Slovenia, but it was actually cheaper to fly to Trieste than to fly to Ljubljana, and we also read about there being really nice food in Trieste, so we thought we'd come here for a couple of days before we go on the rest of our holiday to Slovenia.
We are visiting the city for the first time. We have never been here. We are from Monza, nearby Milano.
We're from Belgium. We decided to do a tour through Slovenia, and Trieste is near Slovenia, so we want to visit Trieste as well.
We are here on a stopover to Croatia, and we are coming from Berlin.
Well, I am from Czech Republic, and I choose the Trieste destination because we are on the business trip in the Slovenia. So it's like 1 hour or 1 hour and a half to come here. So this is the reason why, because we want to see a piece of Italy, and it's closer to our destination.
We're from Austria. I'm from Austria, and we chose Trieste because Trieste is very special for us because it has elements of Italian, but also Slovakian and Austrian. The Piazza Unita is like you're in Vienna, and it's for us a really amazing place. It's a really cool mix, and you have an ocean, you have the mountains, so it's perfect for an Austrian.
Well, I'm from Italy. I'm from a small town not far from Trieste, and I love the city. I'm here visiting a friend currently, so I can't really complain. Weather is super.
Yes, I used to live and work here, and that was about 12 years ago. It was a very different city back then. Well, I feel like the energy changed, the economy has changed, and generally the people have changed. It's kind of gone from like a laid-back island environment that was more interested in business and what was going on at the port to kind of this high-pace, vibrant sort of community. It's very interesting.